Hi everyone!
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to another video. Today is going to be a part 1 of a video that we've already done where Aditya cooked for 24 hours and you
Yes.
guys seem to really enjoy that video.
Thank you.
Even I enjoyed that video. But today's video, I don't think I'm going to enjoy a lot. Aditya is going to be the one who's enjoying.
I'm going to enjoy it thoroughly.
So basically today I'm going to be cooking for 24 hours. I do really like to cook, to be honest, but I don't know if I can sustain like cooking for an entire day.
I think you'll manage.
Yeah, I do have a plan. I do have certain things that I want to make and stuff like that. There are going to be certain things that I've never done also, which I'll be doing today.
Nice.
So yeah, I think that's basically it. Let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna need you to step out because I want to talk to them about today's breakfast.
Okay, guys. Bye, guys.
So basically breakfast is going to be my take on the English high tea, you know, where they have like mini sandwiches and like scones and fruits, but थोड़ा सा अलग करने वाली हूँ मैं. So Aditya has been asking me to make pancakes, but I've made pancakes too many times and it's just too simple. So I don't want to do that, but I still do want to give him what he's asked me to give him. So I'm gonna be making waffles, same category. Waffles थोड़ा सा tricky हो जाता है, so we'll see how that goes. Then I really want to make the cucumber sandwich, which is very popular and it seems also very tasty. So I want to do that along with fresh fruits, of course, and I'm also going to be making a blueberry jam to go along with the waffles. And साथ में I'll also make some orange juice and tea. I have an inspo as to like how I want to decorate it. I've ordered flowers also to like make it look very pretty. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let's go make ourselves some breakfast. Mess, so ignore me, but Aditya, you can open your eyes.
Ooh. Bapre, so fancy.
It's pretty, right?
It's very pretty and fancy.
Okay, so what would you like? Do you want some? Your favorite chamomile mint tea?
Yeah.
This is, by the way, in my nanny's kettle, it's my nanny's mother's. So it's super old.
Wow.
And we also have some orange juice to go along with it.
Nice. All I can see is cucumber.
So basically, it's a very popular type of cucumber sandwich, but it's supposed to be very good. And मैंने बहुत बार taste भी किया while making it. So try it out.
It's refreshing.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. Now I'm actually fully ready. Let's go take over the kitchen, make some lunch. Now for lunch, I really wanted to make Mexican food at some point of the day, either for dinner or for lunch, because Aditya loves Mexican food and he loves it every time I make it. And even I enjoy Mexican food and it's something that I'm good at. So I wanted to be able to have one safe meal that I know will go right. It's been a while though since I've made Mexican food, so I'm a little bit nervous because I had to like rewatch a few videos just to freshen up my memory. But yeah, let's go make some quesadillas. I've actually never made quesadillas, if I'm not wrong. I've made burritos, I've made tacos in the past. Guacamole, I make it all the time. But this time I thought थोड़ा सा switch up करते हैं. Ingredients for the most part similar ही होते हैं, but yeah, let's go do it. So as soon as I entered the kitchen, I got on with the chopping, which according to me is the most tedious and the most boring bit, but obviously it is so important. You can't really cook without all the chopping being done, right? So got that out of the way. Definitely took most of my time. Then I cooked the paneer, my protein of choice in these mixed herbs, made the guacamole, because it's not a Mexican dish without guacamole in my opinion. Very, very simple, but such a great recipe. I also made salsa today for the first time. These are all the ingredients that I used, and I think it turned out quite nice.
So, ma'am, quesadilla.
Basically, when making Mexican, I make a lot of Mexican food, right? So I feel like you need 5-6 different things. Mera gas. Oh, no. Hold on. You need 5-6 different things, and using those 5-6 different things, you can make a lot of different things. Like you can make burritos, you can make fajitas, you can make quesadillas, you can make tacos. Yeah, so many different things. So, according to me, the 6 things that you need, number 1 is veggies. So for today, I'm doing lettuce, I'm doing corn, and I'm doing mushrooms. You can also do bell peppers, but Aditya and Aditya's dad are allergic to bell peppers, so we're gonna skip that. Second thing is a protein. Today we're doing paneer because Shravan bhi chal raha and I don't cook chicken. Third thing is beans, rajma basically. Cheese, guacamole, sour cream, and you can also throw in salsa. So I feel like using these 7 things, you can really make some yummy different types of food. Today we're doing quesadillas. I'm almost done.
Okay. See, remember guys, 7 things because thala for a reason. So I think it's time to assemble the quesadilla.
This is what I'm nervous about. I made a sample one right here. This is not like a quesadilla. I made it like a wrap just to like try it out. I'll do another trial because I'm hungry. काफी अच्छा है मेरे हिसाब से तो. So I have a multi-grain tortilla, on top of which I'm adding cheese. सबसे पहले because I want it to melt.
Next, this is
salsa that we have going on. Next,
homemade salsa.
Homemade salsa, yes. Beans up next. इसको थोड़ा सा टमेटो सॉस में मैंने डाल के रखा है. Not like tomato sauce, tomato puree. Paneer.
Or whatever protein you have.
Yeah. Mushroom. Corn. थोड़ा सा guacamole, like a dollop. And then most important, according to me, cream cheese.
Sour cream,
sorry. My bad. So सब melt हो गया है. Just adding in my lettuce so that it stays fresh and crunchy. एकदम last में add कर रही हूँ मैं.
Come on, Maddie, you can do it. Wow.
I think little lesser filling next time onwards.
It's okay, it's the first one, na?
ये वाला आदित्य खाएगा.
अरे? So we decided कि sour cream last में यहाँ पे add करते while plating, क्योंकि वहाँ पे उसका पानी छूट रहा था on the gas.
This was experiment 1.
Experiment 1 जो आदित्य खाएगा, and then this is for the rest of the family.
Nice. Okay, good. I'm so glad.
Time for reaction number 1. चल आजी खाऊन बा, चव घेऊन बा.
मस्त.
छान झालंय? किती मार्क हिला?
99.
99. हाँ, तेरा भी 1 मार्क कट किया. आजी का 1 मार्क कट करना स्टैंडर्ड है.
Wow, best one.
मस्त. How many marks on 100?
मेरे तरफ से दादी का भी 1 और मेरा 101.
व्हेरी टेस्टी. खूप छान झालंय.
Thank you.
खूप छान. इंटरनॅशनल टेस्ट आली आहे.
Wow.
इंटरनॅशनल शेफ मृदुल.
जल्दी तो reaction.
मस्त बना. Really nice. Better than any restaurant quesadilla I have had.
Oh my god.
The aftermath. Matt is just lying down.
Oh
बोले
my
सोना है.
god, I'm so tired. People who do this every day, hats off.
Hats off, सच्ची. मेरा भी कुकिंग वीडियो के टाइम पे मुझे भी सेम लगा.
इतनी नींद आ रही है मुझे. Plus, whenever I cook in general, not just for this video, I can't eat after that because बनाते बनाते भूख मर जाती है.
काफी लोगों का होता है.
Literally ate one piece. Breakfast में भी यही हुआ. And I think throughout the day यही होने वाला है, which is okay. I don't really care. Today my focus is making food. This is a very weird angle.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just gonna take a break anyways for like 1 hour and then we'll prepare some snacks probably.
Yeah, we'll have to work on the snacks and then the dinner and then the dessert.
We nahi, me.
हाँ मतलब मैं थोड़ा हेल्प
film me,
करूंगा.
yeah.
हाँ.
Okay, checking in after a few hours actually. You're seeing me lying down again because I'm so tired. It's been a hectic day. We were out doing something so special, but in order to celebrate that, I thought that for snacks we should make something sweet. It's a family recipe. My bua has been making it ever since we were kids. I really want Aditya to taste it. It's a very simple, sweet, wholesome sort of a recipe. It's fruit custard, but इतना tasty होता है ना वो, तो मुझे वो बनाना है for snacks. Initially the plan was something else, but I feel like today's vibe calls for something sweet. Twice we're gonna make dessert also late at night, but right now let's go make the fruit custard.
इंटू 2 क्यों किया?
देख 120.
25 के लिए 2 चम्मच है.
हाँ तो 1000 के लिए कितना हुआ? 8 चम्मच.
ये देख 1000 ml
हाँ
डिवाइड बाय 125.
हाँ कितना हुआ?
कितना हो रहा है? 8.
हाँ
तो एवरी 1
अरे पर 1000 है ना, अपने को 1 लीटर ही बनाना
अरे
है.
बराबर है.
मेरा तुम लोग मैथ
125 के लिए 2 स्पून है. By the way, for context, we are figuring out कितना स्पून डलता है. ग्रुप एक्टिविटी चल रही है. At this point, थोड़ा सा फ्री स्टाइल हो रहा है. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Smells like my childhood. Okay, so as simple as custard powder को fully melt down कर लिया separately. Now it's on the gas with some sugar and on very slow heat we're gonna let this kind of thicken and then we'll refrigerate it. So सबसे पहले decided to finish off with the chopping even for dinner. We'll talk about dinner later, but just doing all the chopping because there's a lot of chopping even for dinner. So सारे fruits पहले chop कर रहे हैं and then all the veggies. मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है वो कैरमल नहीं कस्टर्ड का स्मेल सुन के. I just tasted it and it tastes so good. I'm so excited. थोड़ा हालत खराब है हमारे कस्टर्ड का. I left it on the gas and I went on to chop, which is something that you should not do. Lesson learned. अभी मैं इसको वो छन्नी रहती है ना उसमें I'm going to like run it through it ताकि वो proper नहीं. बट फिर ये देखो लम्स है इतने सारे.
हार्ड वर्किंग मैडी. उसे खाना खिलाना पड़ रहा है. Look at all the preps that she has done.
So while peeling the carrot, I peeled off half of my nail.
वाह अभी वो खाने में आएगा.
नहीं इधर कचरे में निकला है. टेस्टी बनणार होपफुली सगळं. ऑल द प्रेप इज डन. सब चॉपिंग हो गया है. अब लेट्स गेट ऑन टू कुकिंग.
फ्राइड राइस के लिए राइस हो चुका है. चीफ गेस्ट्स फॉर द डे आर हियर टू टेस्ट चाइनीज.
Oh, Chinese बन रहा है.
Yes.
Oh, we haven't eaten since so many days. Actually.
अभी ये देख रहे हैं कैसा बन रहा है चाइनीज.
और भी सरप्राइजेस भी है.
सो हमारा जो स्नैक्स था कस्टर्ड वो टेस्ट चालू है टिल द टाइम फ्राइड राइस इज बीइंग मेड.
हमारे यहाँ सीमा दीदी इज वेरी फेमस मेकिंग कस्टर्ड. So I guess it's really close to it.
Oh, wow.
मस्त. Sweetness super.
लाइफ का फंडा ऑलवेज ईट योर डेजर्ट फर्स्ट. तो डेजर्ट सबसे पहले खा रहे हैं एंड मस्त बनाए. थोड़ा मेरी मम्मी से 10% कम बनाए.
अच्छा 1 मार्क कट.
मार्क कट 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 8 out of 10. बट अच्छा बने. मस्त है.
टेस्ट.
मस्त
वाह
सीरियसली बहुत मस्त हुआ.
बहुत मस्त.
परफेक्ट.
स्पाइसीनेस परफेक्ट.
मेरे साइड भी 9.
10 out of 10.
I can also give 10 out of 10.
Total?
I'm also giving 10 out of 10.
नहीं हम लोग ने 9 क्यों दिया बोल में अगली टाइम
और बेटर.
एक मार्क का इम्प्रूवमेंट ना.
बहुत टाइम भूखा रखा है मैंने सबको.
फाइनली टेस्टिंग. बहुत मस्त है. नाइस. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. जस्ट minus marks for putting broccoli in a fried rice.
It's too good. Broccoli, मैं minus दूंगी अगर तो cauliflower.
Cauliflower भी.
I was trying to make it healthy.
It's very yummy. 10 on 10.
Guys, dinner shift is done, and as always, I didn't really have dinner. I'm having custard. कैसा था आज का दिन?
बहुत ही अच्छा, लंबा, but very tiring, and it's not over yet.
कैसा है? अच्छा बनाया ना काफी.
बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब हमारे घर पे हमने कभी थिक इतना.
हाँ, हमारा थोड़ा
खाया
वैसा
नहीं.
वाटरी दूध जैसा रहता है.
But ये बहुत
बट ये भी
अच्छा.
अच्छा है. थोड़ा और आई फील लाइक शुगर डल सकता था. थोड़ा सा हल्का. क्या हो गया?
बोला ना मैं.
Okay, so I am back in the kitchen. It is super late at night, so let's just change the vibe. Much better. Now, for dessert, we're gonna be baking a cake. I don't think I've ever baked a cake. I don't think so. But we're gonna be baking this really cute heart-shaped cake. There are a lot of reasons to bake a cake, a lot of occasions to bake a cake. For this segment of the video,
Of course.
Aditya wants to join me.
The baking master.
Yeah, you are. It's true. And Aditya doesn't trust me with baking. So he's going to.
Only supervise.
Ha, exactly. You can't help me. I'm going to have to do it alone. I've gone through the recipe briefly. Because I like to freestyle. Even today when I was cooking, Aditya kept butting in. Because
Only supervise.
because cooking is a very like freelance thing. You
That's
can do
why I left
whatever.
it to you. But here, I don't know. I feel I might have to do a little more than supervise.
Okay, chalo. Let's go. Let's get started. How cute are these?
Very cute. And all over the counter. इसके ऊपर एक मिर्ची क्यों है?
फ्रिज में थी, रख दे साइड में.
तीखा केक. Okay, so first you grease the baking tin with some oil or butter, melted butter, and then line it with the baking paper.
वो लास्ट में करेंगे ना.
नहीं, वो
पहले
पहले
तो
से
करते
बोला है.
हैं. नहीं, वो लास्ट. It's already begun. Last time मैंने पूछा था कि सीव करने की क्या जरूरत है, but there were a lot of people in the comments who said that it's important to sieve to aerate the cake.
Yeah,
है
to
ना?
make it fluffy.
3 tablespoons. और मैंने देखा है आदित्य कैसे measure करता है, ऐसे measure करके then he'll do that, right?
Correct. Wow, 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 wow. Baking is a test of patience.
Which I don't have a lot of to begin with. I'm already getting impatient, to be honest.
Just want to mix everything and put it in the oven. ना?
Yeah. Heart shape पे कैसे baking paper लगाएंगे?
कट करके
Heart shape में कट करके लगाएंगे.
लगा सकते हैं तो स्क्वायर भी रख सकते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. जस्ट उसका
साइड से निकलेगा ना वो.
नहीं. ये मत आने देना उसमें मलाई.
Obviously, Aditya, I know. गई मलाई. Oops, my hands are washed. So don't come at me. I will admit, after doing it for like 10 minutes, it is very calming to bake. Like you can just be in your thoughts. Like it's annoying at first. It was annoying at first, but I'm just telling everyone, Aditya, how it can also be relaxing to bake.
It is very relaxing.
Yeah. I knew that desserts were unhealthy. Obviously, it's common knowledge. But when you actually make it, you get to know there's so much quantity of everything. अभी जैसे ये पूरा भर के butter है. I love vanilla essence. It makes everything smell so good.
फिर क्या लिया तूने ये?
3 tablespoon.
ये टीस्पून है.
Oops.
संभाला ज़्यादा ना गिरे.
Kashu, would you like to lick this and give us a review?
I wouldn't lick it.
Okay, don't lick it. By the way, वापस वो बैटर में नहीं जाएगा, ये धुलने में जाएगा.
आदित्य घर है ना.
अपना घर होता तो डायरेक्ट. अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा है. पता है कुकी डो कच्चा अच्छा लगता है,
वही है, मतलब बेसिकली सेम ही चीज है.
ये भी
केक बैटर.
कच्चा अच्छा लग रहा है.
शुगर थोड़ा चल सकता था.
Expert critiques. I agree. No, I'm glad that it's less sugar. I personally prefer also lesser sugar. बस पूरा नाना कुछ गलतियां निकाल के पूरा तो चाट लिया.
वेस्ट थोड़ी ना करूंगा.
Guys, the cake is ready. It's feeling all right. I'm gonna quickly serve this in bowls with vanilla ice cream. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. Finally, I'm so tired.
Yeah, cooking videos are very hectic.
Yeah, but they're very fun also. What do you think was the favorite meal that I've made today?
I would have said Chinese,
Yeah.
but you get a negative point because of the broccoli in it.
I knew that was coming.
So my favorite had to be the quesadilla,
Yeah.
and even the cake was good. I mean,
Yeah.
मस्त बना था वो.
मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट था कस्टर्ड
Custard भी बहुत
और चाइनीज भी ऑनेस्टली लाइक आई एम नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ चाइनीज बट
बहुत अच्छा बना. सब कुछ ही बहुत ही मस्त बना था तेरा.
thank you. So with that we've come towards the end of today's video and yeah that's it. We'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.